Close the door.
I got you.
Oh, look at freaking A.
That's just my tactic.
Yeah, do it.
No, look at it. You gotta do that thing. You gotta do that little thing right there.
You guys are fucking in there?
Ew.
Holy shit. Holy man. It's cracking.
It's just us 4 girls, okay?
He's like, not want to be part of it.
Dude. I think no, that's what you called right there. Rafa.
I thought there was no guy here.
Yeah, you guys are dumbass gay.
Oh, you're dumbass.
Freaking close the door.
Are you doing anything?
Hella gay.
We're walking.
Freaking close the door.
You're fucking stupid. Fuck you, nigga. If I bump into that black box,
If I bump into somebody, I swear I'm gonna freaking start screaming. And I feel somebody. I freaking see a school. Hey, what's that one over there? Did you see that?
What?
You ready?
See what?
You ready? Don't run. Okay. Who is it?
Oh my god.
Oh, there I am.
Oh crap! What the hell is it?
You're the dumbass, bro.
Ow! What the hell did I trip on?
She hella fell.
A freaking tape or something.
She fucking bit it.
Because her dumbass.
Freaking dumb. Every single time. Let me see you ready. It's okay. Aw, show them the evidence.
bleeding.
Oh.
She's gonna break it.
This is not nice. I do not appreciate it.
What? Say hi.
I'm never going in there with you again.
Because I thought you were in there. I thought you were in there. I thought you left with Liz.
Who is that thing?
Freaking asshole.
Nah, that was me in there.
That
Oh.
was you?
What? They're like, I feel something, and I was like,
I know. I was like,
I was there.
I thought you left with Liz. I was like, I think I feel.
So
What's that light over there?
I think I see a skull.
Oh, that was me. I was like, I think I saw. Because I kept on blinking and I saw someone. I was like, what the fuck?
I need a band-aid.
I'm sorry, Grady.
Same arm?
Yeah, because she made me fall.
Again.
That's not even the first time she made you fall.
I know. She always makes me fall and go in there.
into the door.
Take it.
No, she.
Huh? What?
She stepped onto something and then.
What? No, I'm recording right now. I think so.
Oh, wow.
No, I stopped.